Hi, I'm Ray and I'm on the allotment today and it's a lovely day. Bit of a chill in the air, but it's absolutely lovely. And it's St. Patrick's Day and it's a good day for planting potatoes. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can plant potatoes. We've got 2 lots of potatoes. The first lot, Maris Piper, and these are our main crops. And the second we got is Nicola, and this is a second early. And they've just been in the pot, chitting away, but they haven't really done too much. But they're going in the ground today. So let me show you what we're going to do. So the first way we're going to grow our potatoes is directly in the ground. And this is my large bed, and this is my root bed, the second one down being taller vegetables. So we're going to have 2 rows of potatoes in this bed and they're going along the edge. So I've just started digging a trench and I'm doing it spade deep, and we're putting all the soil on the edge. And we're removing any perennial weeds as we go. It's a bit of hard work, but it's worth doing, especially if you're hard soil. So we've dug a trench which is as wide as the spade and about as deep as the spade, and we've done it all the way along to the end, and we put all the soil on either side, and it makes it easier to push it back in when we planted the potatoes. So this is the seeds that we're using. And this is Maris Piper, and this is a main crop. So I'm just going to empty them out into this tray. We're not chitting these, they don't need to be chipped. Main crops don't, farmers don't, and they've already started chitting. So we're having a look, making sure they're firm and nothing's too soft, nothing's mouldy. So that one's turning a bit soft, so I might just leave that one out. So that one's a little bit soft. And we're just going through, having a feel. That one's been eaten, but it's got some chips. So there we go, so that's our main crop. So we're going to be planting these into the allotment bed. So we've chosen the potatoes that we're wanting to plant, and we're going to put them in to the bottom of the bed. And they want to be around 30 centimetres, or about 12 inches apart, and we can go along just placing them in the way along. Until we get a line of potatoes. So there we go, we've got 12 potato seeds planted in, and they're all 30 centimetres apart, around 1 foot, 12 inches, and that's looking really good. So once your potatoes are in your trench, then we can just push back the soil and cover them over. Not pressing too hard, just leaving it nice and loose so the shoots can come up through. And there we go, that's all our potatoes planted. And to remember where you planted them, put your label in the row, and then you know where your line is going to be. So, if using a bed, we can do it a no dig way, and using a bulb planter is quite an easy way. So, we just put a bulb planter in the ground, we take a potato and we stick it in. So, 30. And there we go, firm it in, and this can also be done instead of digging the trench, and then the soil can be earthed up once the sprouts appear. And then all we need to do is add a label on the end to remember that we put our potatoes in. So 2 lines, potatoes, all planted. Job done. So, if you don't have a bed and you want to grow some potatoes on your balcony, on a patio, then you can use a bucket or even a compost bag or any old bag. As long as it's got holes at the bottom, that would do. So we're using this bin. It's about 14 inches wide, and we're just filling it up with some compost, about 4 inches deep. We're getting our potatoes. We put 4 seed potatoes, 3 in this one. 1, 2, 3. And then we fill it up with the remaining compost. There we go, and then all we need is a label, Nicola, and job done. So have you planted your potatoes yet? Let me know in the comments. And what way have you grown your potatoes? Be interesting to see the different ways and different methods and what potato varieties you're growing. So leave me a comment, that'd be wonderful. So thank you very much for now. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell and get notifications when I post some more. So cheers for now.